Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the top deals for next week for Walgreens, and it will be for the week of the 7th through the 13th of November, and it's going to be an interesting week. There is one deal that we have that I don't think I've ever seen before, and I'm going to try it out on Sunday and include it in a spend booster scenario. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. So the first thing I want to talk about is the inserts that we will be receiving on Sunday the 7th. We will be receiving a Smart Source and a Save insert. Some of the coupons that we receive in the Save insert will be shown in the deals in this video. I get my coupons through BQ Savings. My area doesn't get the best coupons, so I have been ordering my inserts through BQ Savings for about 2.5 years now, and I really love her service. So I do have a link in the description box below if you would like to order from there as well. She uses fast 2-day shipping from FedEx, and you can preview all the coupons that she will have in her inserts. So the first deal I want to talk about is the Tresemme. The Tresemme is on promotion as part of the deals of the week. It is spend 10, get back a $5 register reward for the month of November. Now each week the deals will change, but the actual promotion is the same. So unlike last month and the month before that, it was buy 2 get 4 or buy 3 get 5, and you could say buy 6 and get 10. This month you can't do that. You can only spend $10 and get back 5. You would have to break it up in different transactions if you wanted to do, say, the Tresemme and the Secret. So the Tresemme is going to be 2 for $10, and in the Save insert we will be getting a 5 off 2 Tresemme coupon. So you will get 2 of these at $10. Use that 5 off 2 Tresemme coupon. You will pay $5 and you will get back a $5 register reward, making them free. So you can use Walgreens cash to pay for this, but the $5 register reward that you get from this, you cannot use on any other deal of the week promotion this month and get that $5 register reward again. So that's something to think about when doing these deals this month. So if you get the $5 register reward, it is a store register reward. So if you want to get a different promotion, like say the Gillette razors, get that by itself. Use that $5 register reward to help lower your out-of-pocket. So anyways, I will be doing this deal in my scenario that I will show you at the end of the video. So another deal that is a deal of the week is the Secret deodorant. It's showing the Secret Clinical, and it typically includes the Secret Derma. They will be $8 a piece. So when you spend 10, you'll get back a $5 register reward. I have a 4 off 2 Secret digital coupon on my account. There is also a 4 off 2 paper coupon in the November P&G. So if you want to use either of those, you can, and that will bring your total down to $12. You'll get back a $5 register reward, making both of them just $7 or $3.50 a piece. And this is hands down my absolute favorite deodorant, so I have no problem paying that price. I think that's a very good deal because it's typically just over $10 when it's not on sale. But you could not do this together with the Tresemme. So next is the Purex. The Purex is on promotion where they are buy one get one free, but when you grab 2 of them, even though one of them is free, you will get back $2 in Walgreens cash as well. So it includes the crystals, the small bottles of the liquid, and then the packs as well. So the 4-in-1 packs are $5.99. If you get 2 of those, you'll only pay the $5.99. You will get back $2 in Walgreens cash, making them $3.99 for both of them, or $1.99 a piece. Now, I do know that there has been Purex coupons in the past on AskTeamClean.com. So check that out to see if there's any printables. You would only be able to use one printable on this promotion if you have one available. And you can also use Walgreens cash on this promotion. So then the next deal that I want to talk about is a deal that I don't ever remember seeing before. So this is on the Charmin, the 6-count mega roll, the Bounty 4-count double roll, or the Microban, and they're going to be priced at $7.99 a piece. And then when you buy 4, you'll get back a $6 register reward. Now, I don't know how much the Microban will be because the normal price for it right now is only $6.99. So I don't know if that will be just that price or if it'll be a different price. So I'm going with paper products because I love paper. And so I'm going to grab 2 of the Charmin and 2 of the Bounty, and that's going to equal out to $31.96. We're going to be using insert coupons from the November P&G. You'll want to use 2 of the dollar off of 1 Charmin coupons and 2 of the dollar off 1 Bounty coupons. So that will bring your total down to $27.96. You'll get back a $6 register reward, making these $21.96 for 4 of them, or $5.49 a piece. And you can use Walgreens cash to pay for this. Now, unless you are absolutely in need of paper products, I wouldn't do this deal by itself. Now, I have a spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash digital booster. Sorry, I couldn't get that out. I also have a spend 40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash paper booster that I'm stacking together. And I'm doing this scenario in there. That way I can actually get a lot more back, and this would be a lot cheaper because I really, really like to stock up on Charmin and Bounty instead of the Scott. Even though I have nothing against the Scott, I would like to get this type of stuff instead. So definitely am pairing this with spend boosters. So next we have some free oral care. The oral care for the Crest is on a promotion where you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward, and this is a manufacturer's register reward. What you can do on, if you wonder if it's going to be manufacturer or store register reward, 9 times out of 10, when the brands are mixed brands like Tresemme and Secret and Dove, those are going to be store register rewards. When it is just Crest, that's most likely going to be a manufacturer register reward. So we're going to pick up 2 of these at $8 a piece, and then you're going to use a 3 off 2 Crest digital coupon. I have one on my account left over that I never used, so then that's going to bring your total down to $5. You'll get back a $5 register reward, making it free. And I like deals like this because then I can use the manufacturer register reward to lower my out-of-pocket, and you still use it with paper and digital spend boosters. So then the next deal we have is the Nexus. The Nexus is spend 20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, and we do have digital and paper coupons coming out for this. So I'm going with the Hairspray, and I'm going with my store price for the Hairspray. So buying 2 of these are going to cost $14.49 a piece. That is going to equal out to $28.98. I'm going to use 2 5 off of 1 Nexus paper coupons from the 11/7 Save insert. That would bring the total down to $18.98. You will get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making the total for both bottles of Hairspray or cans of Hairspray $8.98. Now, if you have a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash booster, or spend 22 and get back $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster, then stack it with this deal, and then your total would be still $18.98, but then you get back $15 in Walgreens cash, making both of them $3.98, or just $1.99 a piece. And I think that is a really good deal. It's incredible Hairspray. So now I want to show you one of the scenarios that I will be doing in my video on Sunday. Now, like I said earlier in the video, I have a spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash digital booster. I will also be using a paper booster that I showed you last week that I got with my transactions. And I got a paper spend booster that is spend 40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash. So using those together, when I spend $50, I'll actually get back $19 in Walgreens cash. So what better way to use it than on that paper scenario? So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be grabbing 2 of the Charmin, 2 of the Bounty. I'm going to grab 2 of the Tresemme at $10 for the both of them. I'm going to be grabbing 2 of the $4 crest for $8. And though I won't be quite at $50, I will also add an 88-cent or $1 candy bar, and that will equal out to $50.84. I think without the candy bar, I would be literally 4 cents short of making all this work. So it's very important to know exactly where you will be at before you go to the register. So then I will be giving them $2 coupons for the Charmin, $2 coupons for the Bounty, a coupon, a 5 off 2 coupon, excuse me, for the Tresemme, and then the 3 off 2 digital for the Crest. That will bring my total down to $38.84. Now, I won't be building up this transaction so that I can use Walgreens cash to help pay for my total, mainly because I've done that a lot and I'm kind of low on Walgreens cash. So then we will get back $10 in Walgreens cash and $9 in Walgreens cash for our spend boosters. We will get back a $5 register reward for the Tresemme, a $5 register reward for the Crest, and a $6 register reward for the paper products. So that would bring our final cost down to just $3.84 or just 48 cents a piece. And when I did the math for this, I ended up doing it like 5 or 6 times because I just didn't believe that it was going to be $3.84 with those paper products in there. So that would make everything just 48 cents a piece, and that just was just like, oh my god, I can't wait till Sunday. So anyways, that is everything that I have for you today, guys. I would like to show you in the coming weeks on how to really look at the ad and how to decipher the deals and the verbiage and everything like that with the new ad, and I think that would be really helpful. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.